Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a depth review of Wordze, an SEO tool designed to help you boost your website traffic. By the end of this video you'll know if Wordze is the right SEO tool for you, how to use its features and key tips to maximize your SEO efforts. Let's jump in. What is Wordze? It's an SEO platform focused on keyword research, rank tracing, backlink analysis, and competitor insights. Think of it as your go-to tool for discovering profitable keywords and improving your search engine visibility. We'll go through each feature and see how it stacks up against other SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush. One of the main features of Wordze is its keyword research tool. Let's say you're targeting a specific keyword. When you type it in, Wordze not only gives you the search volume, but also shows the difficulty score related keywords and search trends. This helps you make informed decisions on which keywords to target. Always aim for keywords with moderate difficulty and high search volume to maximize your traffic potential. Now let's talk about rank tracing. Wordze allows you to monitor how your websites rank for specific keywords over time. You can set up a project for your website and track the performance of your keywords across different search engines like Google and Bing. One of the essential parts of SEO is your backlink profile. Wordze's backlink analysis tools helps you where your backlinks are coming from, their domain authority, and which ones are benefiting your site the most. You can also see toxic backlinks that might be harming your SEO and decide whether to disavow them. Focus on quality backlinks from authoritative sites. Quantity isn't always better. Want to know what your competitors are up to? Wordze's competitor analysis feature lets you see which keywords they're ranking for, where they're getting their backlinks, and how you can outrank them. One of the unique features of Wordze is the API access, which allows you to automate certain SEO tasks, whether you're pulling keyword data for a content project or automating rank tracing. The API can save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing multiple websites. It offers both free and paid plans. The free version is fairly limited, giving you basic access to keyword research. But if you want more advanced features like backlink analysis and competitor tracking, you'll need the paid version. It's around $29 per month, making it a budget-friendly option compared to other premium SEO tools. You can set up alerts for keyword ranking changes so you can quickly adjust your strategy. So is Wordze worth it? If you're looking for a cost-effective, user-friendly SEO tool with a focus on keyword research and backlink analysis, Wordze is definitely worth considering. However, if you need more advanced features like content gap analysis or site audits, you might want to check out alternatives. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.